self-care plus dinner date with the Papski. Si Miss Maui, yung may-ari ng Prime Skin, also works from home. So she's very aware of what's happening in the market. During my appointment, she asked me if ito daw ba yung sabi ng isang content creator na most of the clients these days, come and go lang. Most of them hindi long term. And so I told her na talagang ito yung isang bagay na kailangan mong pag-aralan kung gusto mo maging virtual assistant. You should master the art of building client relationship. And as long as you're producing the results that they are looking for, hindi lang puro chika habang ini-interview ka pero walang result pagka ikaw nang gumagawa. Hindi na ganun kahirap ang client retention. But it takes time to master. Ang haba ng chika namin during the appointment. And medyo late na rin talaga ako nakapagpa-schedule. Buti na lang kahit busy yung schedule natin ngayong Q. Starting November 22nd, mas madali na because pwede na silang tumanggap ng walk-in. And para mas productive tayo, dahil naka-promo din yung kanila Get Into Shape Antioxidant Drink. Na from 1.8 ang tatlong session, 3,500 na lang. Pinasabay ko na rin yung appointment ko. So imagine face V-Contour Mesolipo na nagde-dissolve ng excess cheek fat for a slimmer contoured facial profile. Plus yung drip, girl, feeling ko talaga ang ganda ko pagkatapos nito. I will continue documenting my journey and will share with you the results pag natapos ko na yung 5 sessions ko. Plus, syempre kung effect ba yung antioxidant drip. That's it for this vlog and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!